Hi guys, my name is Rohan and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Build Your Own Brand. Just giving a small introduction in case this is the first time you're coming to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to update your skills on LinkedIn. There's a lot of knowledge around it, and to be honest, there is not one right answer. There are a lot of gurus claiming to know about the LinkedIn algorithm, but trust me, keeps on changing. It might change by the time you publish this video. So I would say, like, just be consistent on the platform and use a couple of tricks to showcase your skills. Now, skills overall as a concept is very important to your candidature. You should always keep them on your resume and also keep them on your LinkedIn. LinkedIn primarily has three avenues where you can showcase your skills. One is a dedicated skill section. The last time I checked, you can upload 50 skills over there and you can get your friends and connections to even endorse. So ensure you keep on adding skills as your experience grows, because that gives more power to the your profile as well. And eventually, depending on how LinkedIn decides to keep tweaking its algorithm, that section will definitely play a role in your searches, etc. Now, the next avenue, which is super vital and I think probably the best avenue to showcase your skills, is your headline. The headline is probably the first thing anyone sees when they're searching for someone. So when I was hiring, I typed ghostwriter, all right, and people who had put ghostwriter in their headline definitely showed up, and there was a chance that they probably didn't even add it in their skill section. So clearly, a live use case is always put your dedicated skills in your headline, because think of it from a user. All right, think of it when you're searching on Google, LinkedIn, whatever. You are going to be very specific with what you want. All right, so if you're looking for a digital marketing manager, type digital marketing manager. It'll probably show up the people who have had it in their headline or their designation, etc., because your headline also captures your current designation. So if you're looking for a co-founder, CEO, IT consultant, etc., you put that in search, will show up the people all who have it in their headline for sure. And the third avenue is when you are updating your work experience, which is an individual work experience for all the companies that you have worked in. It gives you an option saying that can you highlight the skills of which you used in this job. So over there you can click on the specific skill. This gives a view to the recruiter that these are the skills you use in a specific job while you work there. All right, so these are the three main avenues. All right, our personal tip or personalized approach at BYOB is to always reduce redundancies. So keep it very easy on the eye. So I would definitely recommend that you have your headline updated, your skills section updated, and during your work experience, if you want to highlight the skills, do ensure that they're different. All right, because when you're looking at a profile and you see maybe if you worked at company A and you have held 4 designations over there and you start adding the same skills, it looks a little redundant. All right, so be careful of like repeating skills again and again. If you've done digital marketing, do not put it in all work experiences. Put it in your headline, put it in your main skills, and people know that you've done digital marketing. All right, use that space and inventory to highlight other skills. So these are primarily the 3 ways that you should do. My personal recommendation would be to headline, skill section, and then work experience. But in the end, it's your candidature. But always think from the viewer of a hiring manager or someone who's looking at your profile. They want to get a gist quick. All right, so design your candidature that way. If you need help, reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you. And if you like this content, hit subscribe. Thank you.